we're going to be experimenting with the adjusting the facial features with Liquify. In order to get the Liquify filter, we go up to our top filter, Liquify. And you can see here, it's recognizing the person's face. The one thing that you need to be aware of, sometimes if the person is faced maybe a 3/4 position or their face is covered up by hair, it may not recognize the position. Now let's go ahead and put in the settings recommended by the book. And for the eye height, we're going to enter 32. And if you have these locked, so we're going to have them locked. So unlocked and locked. You could actually enter, another number if it's not locked. So let's go ahead and lock it. And we're going to use the eye size. The eye size, enter the eye size is 32, so that's right. And the eye height is going to be 10. Make sure it's locked. And then we're going to do the mouth expanded, which is down here at the bottom. So the mouth width, the mouth height. And then the smile is 9. And for the jawline, it's going to be jawline is 40, and for the face width is 50. But I also need to get, let's see, did I get the mouth height? So let's do the mouth height as well, which is 9. And I think that's all they were asking us to do. Now, I would encourage you to have fun and to play around with these slider bars. So if I wanted her eye size to be larger or smaller, so that's just really cool. I mean, that's the power of Photoshop. So here she's staring at you like she's mad. Here her eyes are big like she's excited. The eye height, she's getting googly eyed and smaller. Let's play with the eye width. And if you notice, these aren't linked. So if I link them, they're going to be more uniform. And the eye tilt, whoa, look at that. Look at her eye going back and forth. The eye distance, I mean, it's just incredible the power of this program. You can play with the smile. She has a sad smile. She has a happy smile. She's like, like a Mona Lisa. The upper lip, we have Botox, the lower lip. Now she has filler. The mouth width, the mouth height, her forehead. We're going to make her have like Frankenstein forehead. Her chin height. So she's had plastic surgery. Her face width. Let's play with her nose. Her nose height. Her nose width. And then if I want to reset it, if I hold down the Option key and then reset, and then everything should go back, but it doesn't look like it did. Let me try it again. Reset. It's interesting. Oh, there's the preview, and there's the before. And I go ahead and play around with this. I'm not sure why the reset isn't resetting, because I'm clicking on reset. And let me click the preview. So now I think we're back to where she was before. Nope. So be really careful. In this case, if I didn't want these changes, I would go ahead and cancel and then reopen the program again in Liquify. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to press OK.